I already discussed about how to write PHP code with HTML, and we already discussed what is PHP, what are the full form, what are the uses of PHP. Then we'll learn how to download XAMPP server installation, and after that we'll write a PHP code and execute that PHP code. In this lecture we'll discuss about what is variables in a PHP. Okay, first tell me, what is the variable? Okay, variable means it is a temporary used to create a space in computer memory. Okay, variable is also called as identifier. We'll learn and we'll see in this lecture how to declare variable in PHP. To declare variable we have to use $sign. Okay, we have to use $sign, and there are some rules to declare a variable in PHP. And before we're going to start how to declare rules of PHP variables, we'll just discuss some important points about variables. Actually PHP is a loosely typed language, so we do not need to declare the data types of the variables as compared to other programming language like in C, in C++. We need to declare variable data types with the variables like int C, okay, char name. Okay, we have to declare data type and its variable name. Okay, but in PHP we do not need to declare the data types of the variable. It automatically analyzes the values and makes conversion to its correct data type. Okay, so here in PHP no need to declare any data type with that variable. Okay, and after declaring the variable it can be reused throughout the programs. Means for example we are writing a code for a program, so we have first, when we declare variable, we have to use that variable throughout that program. And if you want to declare variable, more than one variables, and we have to display some calculation or we want to generate the results, so we require to assign the values to the variables. Okay, to assign the values to variable we have to use equal assignment operator, equal sign, as we call it in programming language, assignment operator. So assignment operator is used to assign the value to variable. Okay, getting what is variable? Variable is used to create temporary space in a computer memory. Variable we also called as identifier. There are some important points about variables, that in PHP no need to declare data type with the variables because it is a loosely typed language, and it automatically analyzes the values and makes conversion to its correct data type. Okay, and after declaring variable it can be reused throughout the program, throughout the code. Okay, getting, and to assign the value to variable we have to use assignment operator, equal sign. Okay, now see how to declare variable, the syntax of declaring variable in a PHP. So first we have to use $sign, the name of variable equal to value. Okay, variable names, anything you have to write like num, name, anything you have to add as per your requirement of the program. Okay, so we have to use $sign and the name of variable equal to value. Getting till here? Okay, so see here we'll see the examples and rules of the variable. What are the rules of variable declaration in PHP? Every language has different rules. In PHP variable must start with a $sign, already discussed, followed by the name of variable, and it can only contains alphanumeric character and underscore. Okay, it's capital A to Z, small z, 0 9. Okay, 0 to 9. Okay, and also variable name must start with a letter or underscore, okay. A PHP variable name cannot contain spaces. PHP variable cannot contain spaces. Okay, And also PHP variable cannot start with the number or special symbols. And one more rules, PHP variables are case sensitive. This is important. Sometime in one line question asks like that, PHP is a case sensitive or not, justify. So PHP is a case sensitive. When we declare a variable in small and in capital, okay, lowercase or uppercase, so both are considered different variables. Okay, see here in last rules of the variable, PHP variables are case sensitive, so dollar name and dollar in lowercase dollar name and in capital dollar name, both are treated as a different variables. Getting everyone, what are the rules of declaring PHP variables? Variable must start with a dollar sign. It contains alphanumeric character and underscore. Variable name must start with a letter underscore. And PHP variable cannot contain spaces, and PHP variable cannot start with a number and special symbols. And PHP variables are case sensitive, so in lowercase we declare variable same name, like dollar name in lowercase and dollar name in uppercase, both are treated as a different variables because PHP is a case sensitive. Okay, getting. Now see the example of variable. How to declare a string variable, integer variable and float variables. Everyone know what is the syntax of PHP. Less than sign we call it as angle bracket, then question mark PHP, and inside that we have to write PHP code and end with question mark and angle bracket, means greater sign. Okay, so first we have to declare a string variable $str equal to Ammar, then we have to declare $x equal to 100 and $y equal to 44.6. okay, see here, as we declared in previous slide, PHP is a loosely typed language, so no need of declare data type with a variable. See here, we have written here $str equal to its values. Okay, and we also discussed in previous slide, we have to use assignment operator to assign the values. So $str is a variable name, equal is assignment operator, and Ammar is the value of that string variable. In next we have written $x equal to 100. So $x $x is a variable and equal is assignment operator, and we have to assign 100 is a value. Okay, getting same, like both are string, integer, and we also added float value. Okay, and we also discuss echo function in previous lecture. Echo function used to display the message, display the values. Okay, which we have written. So we have written string is colon sign, we have written $str, integer is a $x and float is a $y. See here, what is the output of that program? These are the example of variable with different data types: string, integer and float. Getting everyone, have you got it? How to declare variable in a PHP? Because in next slide we'll discuss about operators in a PHP. That's why I'm asking. That time we need to declare variable and operators and see here, operators in a PHP. Okay, operator is a symbol, okay, that is used to perform operation on operands. Please please listen carefully.